Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Serein. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you my shower routine, and I want to thank Briogeo for sponsoring a portion of today's video and supporting my channel. They are also offering my viewers 20% off when you use Serein on briogeo.com, and I'll have that in the description box for you guys as well. I like to shower right after I work out. Lately, I've been working out about 5 days a week doing the BBG program. So my ideal day is after work. I work out at the gym and come back for a quick shower. This helps me unwind and unplug for the day as well. I like to start by wetting my hair and lathering up a shampoo. Today's a deep cleanse day, so I'm using the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I get flaky and my scalp gets pretty oily, especially with me working out so much, so I like to use a clarifying or an exfoliating shampoo about once a week. After shampoo, I'm using this Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado and Quinoa Co-Wash because I do like to double cleanse to rid my hair of buildup and also leaves a little moisture without weighing down my hair. This is new to me and I've been loving it in between washes too. This doesn't weigh down my hair as much and I don't feel like I'm stripping it either. Depending on my mood, I'll choose a body wash. Because I'll be going to bed soon, I'm using This Works Deep Sleep Body Wash. This is infused with essential oils that help me relax and get a good night's sleep. I prefer using a natural sponge because they are a lot more eco-friendly and last longer than plastic loofahs. Plus, they are naturally antimicrobial. For washing my face, I have been using this Origins Jelly Cleanser. Now, I did remove my makeup before I work out, and I typically remove my makeup at the end of my day before I work out or before dinner. And I like this to remove any of the sweat and bacteria and residue left from the day. It's really important to wash your face immediately after you have a sweat session to avoid breakouts. On days that I deep cleanse my scalp, I like to use the leave-in conditioner. I partnered with Briogeo to share with you their new Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask Spray. You guys know I've been a fan of Briogeo hair products for a while now because they have no sulfates, no silicones, no phthalates, no parabens, and no artificial dyes. This new leave-in mask spray uses the unique micro-encapsulated argan oil, which adheres to the surface of hair and closes structural gaps on the hair shaft. The hair cuticle is restored, leaving hair stronger, healthier, and hydrated. It gives my ends the moisture it needs without weighing down my hair. It's also great because it offers a little protection tomorrow morning when I style my hair with my curling iron. Next, I apply body oil. This Works Deep Sleep is hydrating and relaxing. Then I go into my basic skincare routine, starting with a gentle exfoliating radiance pad from First Aid Beauty. I've been loving this pad and it does a really nice job at just gently using lactic acid to exfoliate my skin. Next, I'm using a hydrating eye gel, and this is just something I've been using from 3Lab for a while. It brightens up my under eyes and it's not too heavy so it doesn't irritate my milia. I'm finishing off my skincare with a hydrating gel from Drunk Elephant and a brightening serum from Skin Authority. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, I hope my video helped motivate and inspire you to look and feel your best from the outside in, because I know when I look and feel my best, I'm my most capable at dealing with whatever life has to throw at me. At the end of the day, I just hope you enjoyed my video and it helped you de-stress and relax from your day, because that's why I watch YouTube, and I hope I was able to do that for you. I want to thank Briogeo for working with me on this video. If you're interested in any of their products, make sure to use my code Serein for 20% off on briogeo.com. briogeo.com. They're also available at Sephora, but the code is only good for their website, briogeo.com. The code is not an affiliate code, it's just there for you guys as a treat from Briogeo. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks to Briogeo, and I'll see you guys next time every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Bye!